General Science, Standard 6, Chapter 7, Nutrition and Diet. Can you recall? Which are the various groups of foodstuffs? Name the ones you see in the pictures. Which main constituents of food do we get from them? Living things take food and water and use them for a variety of purposes such as obtaining energy, growth of the body, to carry out day-to-day functions of the body, to fight diseases. In living things, the process of taking in food and water and using it for growth and other purposes is called nutrition. And the constituents of food useful for these purposes are called nutrients. Nutrients and foodstuffs. There are 6 main nutrients in our food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are present in the different food items we eat in differing proportions. Let us learn more about some of them. Energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates. Our main need is of energy. It is fulfilled by carbohydrates. Hence, our diet includes a large proportion of cereals in the form of rice, chapati or roti, bhakri and bread, which contain carbohydrates. Cereals are our staple food. Fats. Some part of our energy requirement is also fulfilled by fatty foods such as oil, ghee, and butter. We get energy in the form of heat from the food we eat. Heat is measured in kilocalories. Hence, the energy in food items is also measured in kilocalories. Children of growing age need to get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. Proteins. We need proteins for the purposes of growth, repairing the wear and tear of the body, and for other life processes. We get proteins from the sprouts, milk and milk products, meat and eggs in our food. Minerals and vitamins. To improve the body's resistance to disease and for other life processes, the body needs vitamins, minerals, and fiber in the diet. We obtain these nutrients mainly from vegetables and fruits. We require vitamins and minerals in small quantities, but their deficiency can lead to various diseases. Let us learn more about them. The body needs several inorganic substances. They are called minerals. The table below gives examples of some minerals and provides information about their functions in the body, the various sources of the minerals as well as the diseases caused by their deficiency. Deficiency means less proportion.